The promos looked pretty cool. And Kevin, you were the most anxious.
I went to like the first showing of it. And
now, did you take your son?
No, I went by myself.
Well, yeah. I think about that. It's like
You wouldn't know where the hell he was.
Yeah, right. He was in our wheelhouse for sure. So out of Mr. McFeely mailbags, 1 to 10, how many McFeely mailbags do you give it?
I would give it like 5 or 6.
Oh, that mediocre.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't really about Mr. Rogers. It's about this journalist who's covering Mr. Rogers. So, like, I was kind of hoping to see, like, a dark side of Mr. Rogers. Or like, yeah, that's what I thought it would be about his life and about how he got the show and everything else. It wasn't really about that. And there was a guy talking during the movie who was driving me nuts, and, like, I wanted to punch him in the face. In the Mr. Rogers movie.
Can you see that? That would be a great headline in the Cumberland Times.
Violence at the Mr. Rogers movie.
And, you know, but for once I wanted to be able to say that Tom Hanks sucked at something. He's great. Like, he's great as Mr. Rogers.
I can definitely see that. And I guess they released the info right before the movie that he's actually related to Mr. Rogers.
Yeah,
he's like a 6th cousin or whatever.
6th cousin or something like that.
Did you wear your cardigan sweater?
I'll bet. Now, my big question is, because I ended up seeing every Mr. Rogers episode because I worked at a public television station back in the day. Did that goddamn cat make any of... Is the kitty in the movie?
Is that Daniel, the kitty?
Is that the name of the cat?
Yeah.
Is the kitty's in the movie?
Yeah,
I'm not going. Okay, that does it.
Cole. To find the dealer. Black Mac. What? You know what? 877. Happens so fast. I mean, the things that they prepare you for, they just culturally move them, and all of a sudden, all the standards, all the things that you used to believe are gone. Everything that was solid is liquid one day. And you're like, wow, how the hell did that happen? And then you're getting booted off social media just for saying the thing that was everyone knew was true just a couple of years ago. Yep. Incredible.
You're listening to Glenn.
Health concerns are a set.
Leopold Kozeluk's Oboe Concerto in F. That's Albrecht Meyer and the Chamber Academy of Potsdam. The time is 9:28. I'm Kathy Fuller. Lots of great music.